Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and my voice still really like morning voice, but yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on. As you can tell, his food is ready. I just microwave it just a little, so it'll be kind of like a little like warm. And yeah, it's looking pretty yummy. Breakfast, I decided that I wanted to eat some cereal because I didn't feel like if I eat anything like a big meal for breakfast, then I feel like I'll be feeling like super bloated and just like I don't want to eat anything all day, and I'm not gonna try to do that. So yeah, I had to go grab my phone. There's nothing in life without your phone. So today my plan is to go shopping because my boyfriend haven't gotten his Christmas gift for his brother and sister yet. So we're gonna be doing that today. Getting ready to leave, so I gotta get my gym bag ready. In my car right now. I just put Leo inside now, so he's not outside anymore. Like, trust me. So I'm gonna go drive to my boyfriend's place and we're gonna go try to go shopping because it's kind of snowing right now. It was kind of like an unexpected snowstorm. I am here at the house and it's still snowing. I checked the weather to see how long it's gonna snow for, and it's only until like 3, and right now it's 12:07, so we are pretty safe. So 2 more hours or 2 or 3 more hours, it's gonna stop. You can see yourself. So where are we going today? No idea.
No.
Okay, we don't have no idea where we're gonna go today, but we're gonna go somewhere.
I'm not gonna be a blog.
He said blob. It's supposed to be vlog.
That's why I said blog. You heard it wrong.
Okay. Okay, where are we going to go?
I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna go to
Think first.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the bank then. Okay. Boy, look at this price though. Almost done with this, like almost. Dang, kecepatannya 35 oh. Tapi yun niya kaya karulayo. Or less of it.
Yeah.
We are in the cleaning aisle because somebody needed cleaning stuff. Yeah. You, what you talking about? Stop looking at me. Oh, no. These aren't the kids.
Oh, it's not. See you at the mall.
Like this one? Oh. Yeah. That is the kid. But there's like, once it's get dirty, then you buy this one, right? Is that what you need? Finally finished, but not really finished yet. Can you help me? Alrighty. Good job. Oh, yo, look at that.
Yes, you did. You did a bad job.
I didn't catch it, Tom. Fail. We're gonna go eat somewhere. I wanna go eat Taco Bell, so we're gonna go eat Taco Bell. Taco Bell, with you, boy.
No.
Okay. That's not mine. I have chicken. It doesn't matter.
This is beefy loaded.
Oh no. Special yeah. The store is completely empty. Just us now. Yay. I finished my food. This is the massacre. The best mango nada here.
What's that?
Here. Not other places, but only here. I'm going to end the vlog because it is 8:50 right now, and I realized I did not do the thumbnail for the video, so I gotta do that really quickly. I gotta go to work at 6 in the morning, so I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope you guys have a good night. I know it's probably not night when you see this, but it's night for me, so I'm just gonna say have a good night, and I'm gonna do that quickly. And once this vlog is up, the video will be up as well. So yeah, other than that, remember to subscribe down below, and I really hope you guys like this vlog. And I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!